it's Pat from Seattle Coffee Gear, and today I've got here some of our favorite accessories of 2022. So we have a few different categories to get through here, as well as an honorary mention. Obviously, accessories are an interesting category for us to get into because they have so many different uses. So these are just three that we wanted to highlight, but there's obviously a ton of awesome ones out there that are gonna make someone really happy as a gift or are really gonna upgrade your home coffee setup. But let's get into it with our crowd pleaser pick. This is gonna be the St. Anthony's Industries Knockbox. So St. Anthony's makes really premium espresso accessories that we really love, and this knockbox is kind of at the center of their different accessories. It also kind of functions as a tamping station as well. And as you can see, it's got slots for the distribution tool and tamper that they make in this sort of low profile setting. The knockbox itself that you're gonna get is just this. It doesn't come with these two things by default, but they both fit here. And while we will be talking about the tamper in just a minute here, it also fits this tamper if you prefer that to the calibrated tamper that they have or their distribution tool. This is a really high quality knockbox. It's really easy to clean out. The pail itself just comes right out, and it's got a nice strong rubber piece here for you to knock your portafilter on. You can also use it in a pinch as a tamping spot as well. I've used it before to tamp for my portafilter. Obviously, a stable mat is preferred, but if you have limited space, this is a really great way to organize your accessories and get tamping and a knockbox all in one. So we really love this guy, and it's actually, for how high quality it is and how versatile it is, it's pretty affordable as well. So really good crowd pleaser pick. This is gonna work great for any espresso setup that you've got, whether you're using a lower end or more affordable espresso machine or something super premium and high end. It's gonna fit right in next to those. So next up we have the Acaia Pearl 2. We've got the black model here. This is just a new edition of the fantastic Acaia Pearl. This is a really great smart scale that is going to really level up your portafilter game. You can use it for other methods as well. We use it to weigh portafilters for espresso, but it's really best for pour over. And it's gonna have a lot of different features in it. So you're gonna be able to change things in it, like obviously the unit of measurement. It's got timer features in it so that you can use it in conjunction with your pour over setup to get just the right timing on your pours and just the right timing on your blooms. It's got different smart brewing options as well, so it can help you walk through that pour over process. And you can use Acaia scales with their Brew Bar app, which gives you tons of data about your pour over that you can set and recall recipes for, and even take notes in it, that sort of thing. So this is really the ultimate scale for pour over, and it's gonna be kind of your one-stop shop. So we've got it in our top features spot here because it just has so many great features for that kind of brewing. And then in a pinch, you can also use it for a bunch of other stuff too. So it's just a great scale all around, on top of having all of those very smart pour over specific features. And then finally, for our ultimate pick, as it might seem a little bit strange, but we've got the St. Anthony's Tamper here. This is file tamper. It's a little different than their calibrated tamper. This is just a classic espresso portafilter tamper. It's really high quality. It feels really good in your hand. And one of the things that I like about it, and this is gonna be subjective, it's gonna be preference, but it's really lightweight wood at the top. So the weight is all concentrated in the tamper head itself. And I like that because it allows you to really feel how much pressure you're putting on the tamper and really understand the exact amount of force that you're using. Even though it's not calibrated and it doesn't have a click, because it is so lightweight, I feel like I can get much more consistent tamps with it. Some people are gonna prefer a more evenly weighted tamper that's got some more weight in the handle, but I personally really like the way that this one is lightweight, and I think that this is gonna be a really great upgrade tamper for anybody who's using espresso machines, and that's why we have it in our ultimate spot for our favorite accessories of 2022. But we've also got an honorable mention here, and these are gonna be our Airscape ceramic containers. There's a lot of different containers out there, so really, get a container for your coffee and it's going to improve the freshness of it over time. But we've got the Airscape containers here because they're a really great mix of affordable, super easy to use. You just can pop the top off and they have the vacuum sealer inside and they look great. You can also put other stuff in them as well. I've used them to have different things like flour and stuff like that too. And they're just gonna improve the freshness of whatever you put in them. So those are some of our favorite accessories of 2022. any of these would upgrade your coffee game and would make great gifts as well. So I hope you've enjoyed it. If you did like this video and you want to know more about educational coffee topics and see more comparisons and reviews of different products, be sure to get on our email newsletter list. We've got a link for that below, and it's also going to get you on the list for all of our sales and deals, so you'll be the first to know when we have our really good sales of different stuff for you to grab them before they're gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you like the video, make sure to hit the like button, get subscribed for more of our videos, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks.